guys, I'm gonna talk about you from the Mariana Trench. First, sperm whales, they dive deep down there from 700, 500, 600 million feet under deep the ocean. Then they make loud noises, and then they can talk to their friends many miles away. For example, if this is the sperm whale and their friend is many miles away, they talk to them like this. They say and then the sound waves go to the friend's ear before disappearing. Next, also there is orca. Orcas are the most strongest whale creatures in the world. They are the apex predators. It means no one can take them down. Even sperm whales, they couldn't take them down. Next, there is also blue whales, and there is also the orca. Blue whales and orca and sperm whales, they can live about 130 days. In 130 months, they can live about like that. And then also, people that are down in the Mariana Trench need this to survive. Don't be a professional scuba diver or scuba diver. You have to use my ship. First thing in my ship, there is the detector of things. First, this microphone, it will think this part in this screen, it will show you the picture of an animal. This part, it will show you a picture of a thing. If it's like this, I'll show you. See, look. If it say the black swallower or the black dragonfish, it will produce it here. It will show you the picture. Next, if it's right over here, it will tell you a thing. For example, the biggest fishing net. And then here is our dining room. This one is our bedroom, 6 beds. This one is our electronic room where we can play lots of games and everything, electronics. This one is our bathroom. This one is our light switching room. This one is our wire room with some light tools here, like cases, and there's also some mapping helping robots. This thing is for our controlling the whole ship. And then the ship here, there will be also a basement for network connection. There's basement and network connection basement, and you go down there to check it. These are the spinners, so we can dive deep down. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are too much light, so we can see everything under deep water. Later, I will draw more lights, and I will draw a new ship, and I'll vlog it next time for you. Bye!